Chapter 9: Audio and Video Conferencing.
Concept note:
Conferencing refers to various forms of communication and collaboration between multiple individuals or groups in real time. This can include audio conferencing through phone calls, video conferencing, virtual meetings using video. Web conferencing means online meetings with shared screens and documents, and more. Learning outcome: children will be able to understand the concept of conferencing, understand the concept of audio conferencing, identify different types of audio conferencing, understand the concept of video conferencing, identify the basic requirements for participating in audio-video conferences. Tia: Hi Neha, did you know how much video conferencing grew during the pandemic? Neha: Oh yes, Tia. Everyone started using it for everything. Tia: Guess what? The number of users increased in just a few months. Neha: Wow, that's a big change. People needed to stay connected. Tia: Totally. It became the main way to talk and see each other. Neha: Yes, people used it for schoolwork and even family chats. Tia: And you know what? Despite being physically apart, technology brought us closer. Neha: Definitely, Tia. It is like our screens became the windows to our world. Tia: You know, Neha, it is not just about the pandemic. It is changing the way we communicate and collaborate in general. Neha: That sounds really interesting. Tia, could you tell me more about how video and audio conferencing actually work? Tia: Absolutely, Neha. Let's get started. Fact Corner. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the Zoom video conferencing platform increased from around 10 million in December 2019 to over 300 million in April 2020. What is conferencing? Conferencing is a way for people to communicate and interact with each other even when they are not in the same physical location. It is like having a magical window that lets you hear and see people, even though they might be in a completely different area or place. It involves using technology to connect through audio and sometimes video, allowing individuals or groups to hold conversations, discussions, meetings, or even social gatherings. Conferencing enables people to share their ideas, thoughts, and information, regardless of the distances that separate them. Types of conferencing. There are two types of conferencing. Point-to-point conferencing. It is also known as two-way conferencing. It involves a direct connection between two locations or participants. This can include both audio and video communication. It is often used for one-to-one discussions, interviews, and private conversations. Multi-point conferencing. It is also known as a multi-party conferencing or group conferencing. It involves 3 or more participants joining a single conference call from different locations. They can communicate simultaneously using audio and video. It is commonly used for team meetings, project updates, and training sessions. There are 2 different forms of conferencing, including audio conferencing and video conferencing. Let us discuss both in detail. What is audio conferencing? Audio conference, also referred to as teleconferencing, is a communication technology that allows multiple participants from different locations to connect and have conversation over the phone. The party that initiates or starts the conference call is known as the calling party. They set up the conference call and invite others to join, and the individuals who join the call in response are referred to as participants. Benefits and advantages of audio conferencing. Connect with people worldwide without the need for travel. Instant communication for both one-on-one conversations and larger meetings. Less expensive, highly accessible, and easy to set up. Allow recording for documentation and future reference. Efficient sharing of information and ideas improves overall productivity. What is video conferencing? Video conferencing is the technology that enables individuals or groups in different locations to conduct interactive meetings, discussions, or presentations using video and audio communication. It allows participants to see and hear each other in real time, simulating a face-to-face interaction even when they are physically apart. Applications of video conferencing. Video conferencing has a wide range of application areas across various industries and contexts. Its ability to facilitate real-time communication, collaboration, and visual interaction makes it valuable in many scenarios. Some common application areas of video conferencing are business meetings and collaboration. Video conferencing is widely used for internal and external business meetings, allowing teams to collaborate, discuss projects, and make decisions remotely. Remote work and telecommuting. With the rise of remote work, video conferencing enables employees to connect with colleagues, managers, and clients from different locations. Job interviews and recruitment. Video interviews are commonly used in the recruitment process to screen candidates and conduct remote interviews. Education and e-learning. Educational institutions use video conferencing to conduct virtual classes, webinars, workshops, and online tutorial sessions. Healthcare and telemedicine. Video conferencing allows healthcare professionals to offer remote consultations, follow-ups, and medical advice to patients, improving accessibility to care. Remote hearings. Video conferencing allows participants, including judges, lawyers, witnesses, and defendants, to attend court hearings from different locations. Technology requirements for audio and video conferencing. A stable and high-speed internet connection. A computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone with a compatible operating system, Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android. Integrated or external webcam. Microphone, speakers or headphones. Protocols such as VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. Conferencing software or apps such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Skype, WebEx, etc. Tech Corner. A protocol is a set of rules that governs how data is communicated and exchanged between devices or systems in a network. Difference between audio and video conferencing. Audio conferencing. Voice only. Limited to audio communication. Clear audio but no visual cues. Simpler setup and lower bandwidth. More focus on spoken content. Video conferencing. Voice and visual. Audio and visual interaction. Clear audio and visual cues. More complex setup and higher bandwidth. Enhanced engagement through visuals. Basic etiquette guidelines for participating in audio or video conferences. Participating in audio and video conferences involves a set of etiquette guidelines to ensure effective communication. Some basic etiquette guidelines to be followed in audio or video conferences are: check audio, video, and internet connection before the conference starts. Test required software or platforms in advance to avoid technical issues during the meeting. Choose a quiet and well-lit space for the conference. Join a few minutes early to ensure a smooth start. Keep your microphone muted when you are not speaking. Unmute when you need to contribute or flashback. Conferencing is a way for people to communicate and interact with each other. Audio conferencing is also called teleconferencing. Point-to-point and multi-point conferencing systems are the types of conferencing. Video conferencing allows participants to see and hear each other in real time. Video conference is also called video teleconference. The individuals who join the call-in response are referred to as participants. Requirements for audio and video conferencing include stable internet connection, computer or mobile, speakers, microphones, web camera, etc.